Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable messages, notifications, badges on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Notifications. Then swipe down and tap on Messages. In here, tap on Badges to turn it on or off. So let's say Badges is turned on. Then when I receive a text message, you will see it will show the badges right here. So this is the badges. It shows an orange dot on the corner of the app icon, and the number 1 showing that there is one notification for the app. So if I do another one, it will show 2 notifications for that badge, or for that app, sorry. So you can see number 2 right there, and that's what it is. So if I switch it off, then it will not show, and if I switch it on, it will show. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.